Maraming salamat po sa PMPC, sa mga jury po and members of the Philippine Movie Press Club. Maraming salamat po for this recognition for 5 Breakups in Romance. Yung partner, pagkatatambal po namin dito ni Ms. Julia Montes nung nag-uusap kami ng ginagawa po namin ng pelikula, parang hindi po kami siguradong dalawa. Pero I think yung tinuro po sa akin ng pelikulang to is sometimes there's beauty into the unknown. And I think risk is always right around the corner, but you just have to jump into it and kailangan mo lang tanggapin at gawin ng lahat ng mga kaya. So, Lipo, GMA Pictures, to Myriad Entertainment Corporation, and to Cornerstone Studios, thank you for this chance. I share this award po sa lahat ng mga nakasama ko sa pelikula. And isang malaking karangalan po ito na mabigyan ng recognition for this film. So muli po, maraming salamat po. Magandang gabi. Thank you, PMPC.